I wouldn't let you guys miss out on a Wednesday half off day at Salvation Army, would I? No way. We gotta go in here and get some good stuff. All right, found some True Religion jeans. True Religion, this is how you tell they're real, guys. First, they're gonna have multiple tags and the True Religion tag under that, and then a third tag that's like the cotton content. The top is gonna say Made in USA. Also, the inside buttons. Do you see the rivets in the buttons? See how they have that True Religion logo on them? 100% real. You can also dig in the pockets here. See the stamped logo? It's faded, but it's there. So these are definitely real. They're $24.99, so they're gonna be $12.50. It's a little steep. If they're in good shape, I can probably list them for $40 or $50 and get it. The bottoms are pretty well worn. For $12.50, these I gotta leave here because at $12.50, 7 shipping is $19.50 plus fees. These are like a $24, $25 break even. So yeah, with the condition that these are in, you know, 25 bucks is break even. It would have been hard to get more than that. So these are not going to work for us. Big old hole in them. Unfortunately, that's no good. So obviously, no matter how good of an item you find, the condition is terrible. The first pair you guys saw in the video was horrible. Even for that price, it didn't matter. But I got lucky, and the second pair, these are awesome. I've never bought a pair with these distressed patch looks on them. Very good. Did pay $12.50. Size 29. They're all real. You guys know what to look for on these True Religions. They'll have the main tag, which is gonna say Made in USA. They're gonna have the under tag, which is gonna show the True Religion horseshoe there. And then the third tag, which is the RN number and the style, etc. So you're gonna have 3 separate tags. You're gonna look for inside the pockets and inside, like here, you're gonna look for the Buddha stamp. When you pull the pockets out, you should also see on most of them, this one's a little faded, but it's there, the stamp. And then inside of those buttons, on the inside of the button, you're gonna look for the True Religion symbol. You can see it right there. And then if you work your way around to at least that, most of the time the rivets will have, on the inside here, these rivets will have it. Sometimes they don't, but what you don't wanna see is that Chinese lining thing. That's where they're fake. The other thing you can look for if they don't have the rivets inside there is on the outside of it. It'll have it. Sometimes it's on the inside, sometimes it's on the outside. But somewhere you're looking for, it says TR BJ True Religion brand jeans, or on this rivet, it actually has True Religion written out with the thing. So you're looking for that on the buttons, you're looking for the pocket stamps, you're looking for those 3 tags, you're just looking for quality, for stitching, all that stuff. So these check out, they're good. $40, $50 pair of jeans, paid $12.50, a nice little profit. So $12.50 plus the 7 to ship it is $19.40, and then $6.90, and then some fees. So our break even on this is gonna be around $22, $23. So if we can get 43, that's a $20 profit, good to go. Second one that I've grabbed, this is the only other pair of pants. These are Not Your Daughter's jeans, NYDJ, you guys know these. They're not doing so good, but these were black. Black seemed to be doing a little better. The size was good. These are size 10. They're black stretch, so I looked them up pretty much all around 25 to 30. So if you get 25, I believe I paid 3 or 4 for these. I can't remember, I think they were 3. And so 7 to ship is 10 plus fees, 14 break even. If you get 24, that's 10 profit. If I can get up to 30, a little bit more. So jeans, always good. Now, let's move on to the other cool stuff. I got some really cool shirts today, and I wanted to show you guys how opening up your mind and not just looking for brands always will pay off. This is something I've sold before. This is a Tampa Bay Devil Rays shirt. The Rays are not called the Devil Rays anymore, they're just the Rays. So anything with the old vintage stuff sells well. I paid $1 for it. It's like $15. That's not what I wanted to show you though. Let me show you guys the cool stuff. So, and these were all in the big and tall section. So the first one I paid $2 for. It's a 2XL. It's Sunny Boy shirts. Not a brand anyone knows. But check out the cool graphics on the back. Somebody else posted in the group too that they found one like this. I can't remember who it was. You'll know who it was. I have to look back through the comments. But it's a guy playing a DJ turntable. You see that? So this isn't a brand that anyone's gonna know. Maybe somebody knows it, but it's got this guy playing DJ turntables. This is gonna be awesome for obviously somebody that might be a DJ or in the music industry, somebody in this urban clothing type style, 2XL, really, really awesome shirt. And for $2, this is something I'm gonna put 20, 25 on and hopefully get somewhere close to that. So that's the first one. The second one is right along the same style trend here. So this one was $1.50. And again, it's got the same looking guy, and this might be the same, no, this is by Blue Boy, different brand, but it's got this same guy playing turntables, singing on a microphone. Again, music industry, urban, just different, and it's $1, $2, you can take a chance. I wouldn't go spending 5 and 10 on this stuff, but this is a 2XL as well. So again, these two shirts will do really well for what I paid for them, $1.50 and $2. And then the third one that I got, let me find it here, is this blue one. Now this one's a little different completely, but this is by the same Ice Collection, whatever, like same 2XL style. This says top secret agent of super survivor, powerful top secret agent. And it's basically attack helicopters flying in, which is very weird, but cool graphics. A great size and great color on the shirt. I paid $2.50 for this one. And then again, the graphics on the front, kind of the same deal. So very cool shirt. Something I think I can get 20 bucks for. So all together, $2.50, $3.50, $4, $5, $6 I paid for these. I'm gonna try to get like 20 bucks a piece, at least, I would like, if not more. So that's a good way to start the trip over in the Salvation Army. Then we picked up, now this one I paid up for, I paid $4 for a Cubavera shirt. I hate paying $4, but it's short sleeve, good palm trees. I'll put it up for 20 bucks, try to get like 17, 18 best offer. That's 14 profit less fees and shipping will be about 8 to 10. This is a brand you should always look for. I've only found a few. It's called Nast. These are $25, $35. I think this one cost me $2 or $2.50. Actually I did pay up, I paid $3.50 for this one. It was $7 originally. Okay, so Nast, N-A-T-N-A-S-T, Nast. Expensive brand. Shirts are over $100 brand new most times. And then I bought one other Cubavera that I bought for cheap. This one was only $1.50. We always pick up Cubaveras under 2 or 3 bucks, up to 4, I guess. So there it is, good color, good summer color, lightweight, short sleeve, good deal. So the total bill at this store was $30. That included both pair of the jeans. Assuming I can get at least 15 a piece for the Cubaveras, that's 30. Hopefully I can get 25 for this one, that's 55. If I can get 15 for the blue, for the Devil Rays shirt, that's 70. If I can get 60 minimum for these three, that's 130. And then 25 on these jeans is 155. And 45 on these would put us at exactly 200 gross. And then, you know, if we do our fees and shipping on that, 200 gross, it's gonna leave us 170-ish after fees. And then shipping on these is 14. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts, $25. So $35, $39, $40 in shipping would leave us around $135 on a $30 purchase. So $105 profit. Estimated profit on these, I was only in this store for about 25 or 30 minutes. I didn't really intend on going out shopping. Yesterday was a Wednesday I took off. It was half off day, but I had other things to do. So that's a little quick haul, some stuff to look for, things to keep your mind open about. Make sure you take down some notes, take down some brands. I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. And don't forget to come back tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern US time, right back here on the channel. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notifications, and you'll get a notification when I go live, 9 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna talk about the Shine Awards 2018, and I have a special guest who's gonna be joining me. Not gonna tell you who it is. Come back, join us, find out then. I'll see you guys later.